Day 9, the money magnet. It's very interesting why the author has chosen money to be a magnet. As a kid, we were also very fascinated with magnets. Magnet has a north pole, has a south pole. So north or south attract हो जाता था, and north and south repel करता था. That's the same with money. In fact, that's the same with gratitude. Gratitude will attract, will not. Why money is? I'll take a different analogy. Money is being referred to a magnet in the sense कि it has that magnetic power. Magnet में दो ही होती है, either it will attract or it repulse. Major जो magnet की एक quality होती है, that it is going to either attract or it is going to repulse. So if we are on the lines where we are doing our gratitudes, it's going to attract the money. But if you are going to be on the opposite side of gratitude, which is the south pole, it's going to repulse it. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. Now it's talking about life becomes rich. It is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. It's talking about all phases of life. Gratitude, not in just money, but in your entire life. We have seen about in health, your food, your work, so many things. Dietrich Bonhoeffer, 1906 to 1945, Lutheran pastor. Gratitude is riches and complaint is poverty. It's the golden rule of your whole life. Whether it's your health, job, relationships, or money. The more grateful you can be for the money you have, even if you don't have very much, the more riches you will receive. And the more you complain about money, the poorer you will become. Today's magical practice turns one of the biggest reasons people complain about money into an act of gratitude. And so it has double the power to change the circumstances of your money. You will be replacing a complaint which makes you poorer with gratitude, which magically brings you riches. Most people wouldn't think they complain about money. But if there is a lack of money in their life, they are complaining without realizing it. Complaining happens through people's thought as well as their words. And most people aren't aware of the many thoughts in their head. Any complaining, negative, jealous, or worried thoughts or words about money are literally creating poverty. And of course, the biggest complaints come when money has to be paid out. If you don't have enough money, paying your bills can be one of the most difficult things to do. It can seem like there is a greater stream of bills than there is money to pay them. But if you complain about your bills, then what you are really doing is complaining about money. And complaining keeps you in poverty. If you don't have enough money, the last thing would normally do is feel grateful for your bills. But in fact, that's exactly what you have to do to receive more money in your life. To have a rich life, you must be grateful for everything to do with money. And begrudging your bills is not being grateful. You must do the exact opposite, which is to be grateful for the goods or services you've received from those who build you. It is such a simple thing to do, but it will have a monumental effect on the money in your life. You will literally become a money magnet. To be grateful for a bill, think about how much you've benefited from the services or goods of the bill. If it's a payment for rent or a mortgage, be grateful that you have a home and that you are living in it. What if the only way you could live in a home was by saving up all the money and paying cash for it? What if there was no such thing as lending institutions or places to rent? Most of us would be living on the streets. So be grateful to the lending institutions or your landlord because they have made it possible for you to live in a home or apartment. If you're paying a bill for gas or electricity, think about the heating or cooling you received, the hot showers, and every appliance you were able to use because of the service. If you are paying a phone or internet bill, imagine how difficult your life would be if you had to travel vast distances to talk to each person individually. In fact, this Zoom call wouldn't have been possible. So, thank you for the Wi Fi. Thank you for the computer. Think about how many times you've been able to call family and friends, send and receive emails, or access information instantly through the internet because of your service provider. All of these remarkable services are at your fingertips. So be grateful for them. And be grateful that the companies trust you by providing their services before you have paid for them. Ever since I discovered the phenomenal power of gratitude, I write the magic words, thank you, paid, on every bill as I paid. And I never miss a single one. At the beginning, when I didn't have the money to pay a bill, I would still use gratitude's magical power and would instead write across the bill, thank you for the money. And then when I had the money to pay it, I would add, thank you, paid. Today, you're going to do the same. Take any currently unpaid bills you have and use gratitude's magical power by writing across them, thank you for the money. And feel as grateful for having the money to pay the bill, whether you have it or not. If you receive and pay most of your bills online, then when you receive an online bill, forward it to yourself as an email and write in the subject line in capital bold letters, thank you for the money. Next, find 10 unpaid bills in the past and write across. Next, find 10 bills you've paid in the past and write across the front of each one of the magic words, thank you, paid. As you write on each paid bill, feel as grateful as you possibly can that you had the money to pay the bill. The more gratitude you can harness for the bills you've paid, the more money you will magically magnetize to you. From this day forward, you could make it your regular practice that whenever you pay a bill, you briefly think about the great service you've received from the bill and write across the face of the bill of the magic words, thank you, paid. And if you don't have the money to pay a bill, use gratitude's magical power and write, thank you for the money. And feel as if you're saying, thank you because you have the money to pay the bill. Feeling gratitude for the money you've paid out guarantees you will receive more. Gratitude is like a magnetic golden thread attached to your money. So when you pay money out, the money always returns to you, sometimes equally, sometimes tenfold, sometimes 100-fold. the abundance you receive back depends not on how much money you give, but on how much gratitude you give. You could have so much gratitude when you pay a bill for $50 that you could receive back hundreds of dollars. Magical practice number 9, the money magnet. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessings, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take any current unpaid bills you have. Use gratitude's magical power and write across each one. Thank you for the money. Feel grateful for having the money to pay the bill, whether you have it or not. Take 10 bills you paid in the past and write across the front of each one of them the magic words, thank you, paid. Feel truly grateful that you had the money to pay the bill. Before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. You know, I use this practice in a lot of other things as well. Like in a manufacturing concern, we generally have a purchase order from a customer. For that, we need to issue an internal work order and a sale order. So that goes to the accounts as well as to the production team. So they need my approval. So I have to actually sign all work orders which are issued to the plant. So whatever work order I get, the first thing I do when I'm sitting on my desk, I have the work orders. I'll take out my pen and believe you me, I will write thank you for your valuable order on each and every sale order, work order I receive. I make it a point to write thank you for your valuable order. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and sign it. Initially, my staff was surprised कि पता नहीं बाबूजी को क्या हो गया. But now, since it's been good 6-8 months, so they are used to it now. You know, you can use this in a lot of other ways in terms of your work. Anybody has any questions? Any doubts for the questions?
I have one. We don't have any purchase orders or any bills to pay, or हमें directly तो आते नहीं. हम किस पे करें? किस पे करें?
खुद बना लो, बिल बुक लेके बना लो.
जबरदस्ती.
यार ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हो, Amazon के निकालो.
ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग होती है, उसके बिल तो आते हैं.
ग्रोसरी के बिल आते होंगे.
मोबाइल
सब्जी आती है, राशन आता है. Amazon से शॉपिंग करते हो, उसके भी तो बिल निकल सकते हैं. Amazon से the email Amazon sends that you have shopped this. So many. You will get minimum 10 Amazon bills only.
Oh yeah, easily.
Last 1 year lockdown, everybody is on online purchases.
Every day something Amazon only.
Amazon और Big Basket तू मेरे तो बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
Yeah.
Ford,
Myntra, H&M, Zara, ये तो इतने निकलेंगे. अब आइडिया दे दिए. सबको तो COD हुआ पड़ा.
आज फ्रेश ऑर्डर निकालेगी.
आज अभी निकालती हूँ फ्रेश ऑर्डर.
आज एक कैश ऑन डिलीवरी का ऑर्डर निकालो और उसको बोलो, उसमें लिख देना ना थैंक यू फॉर द मनी. फिर आ भी जाएंगे. जब तक आएगा तब वो अनपेड रहेगा.
अभी वॉक्सिंग का ही है, अभी आया है, एंटर हुआ है बिल.
ऐसे दे दिए ना अब तो उसके.
थैंक यू पेड.
हाँ, थैंक यू पेड तो वैसे ही बहुत मिल जाएंगे ना, वो तो पुराने मिल जाएंगे. थैंक यू फॉर द मनी के लिए अभी कैश ऑन डिलीवरी का एक ऑर्डर दे.
अभी क्या आइडिया दिया अर्जुन, वाह दिल खुश कर दिया मेरा आज. सर अब नाउ आई ब्लेम अर्जुन कि अर्जुन ने कहा था यार, मैंने तो कुछ मंगवाना नहीं था.
डोंट ब्लेम.
नो ब्लेम.
व्हाई डू यू नीड टू ब्लेम एनीबॉडी?
अपॉर्चुनिटी.
ब्लेम नहीं, अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिली है, अर्जुन ने दी थी. I'm following his advice.
Not my advice, just a thought I came to.
It's a very good thought. Thank you.
Haji, anybody else? We finished the chapter early, good, because the video I have is a bit long today. But yeah, it's a very important video, probably not related to this topic. But since we are all in this book, there's something which we really need to work and focus on is the mindset. So this was a TEDx talk which somebody made me hear about 2 years back or 1.5 years back. I've seen a lot of TEDx talks, but somehow this one video really made a lot of sense to me. Anybody else? Any questions, or should we start?
I would just like to share that, in this ever increasing online world, it's very important कि जो हम अपने bills auto debits पे लगे होते हैं हमारे, be it credit cards or brokerages or anything जो हमें दिखते ही नहीं है, because nobody comes to ask for any payment for it, और वो काफी ज़्यादा होते हैं. So we should make a point that we actually do, once in a while, especially now that this chapter has come, to take out all that, for the past few months, especially the ones jin mahino mein there have been a bigger amounts which have made a considerable impact on the money which we have. उनको जरूर निकाल के उनको thanks करें, because that is what is going to multiply when you receive it back. So and it's going to have a magical effect.
But I can add one more.
Yeah.
Since we are in manufacturing and we have to a lot of other market customers, so generally I receive my accounts receivables and overdues once a week. इससे इतने पेमेंट आनी है, इतनी overdue हो गई, whatever is the thing. I've renamed that report. It's called Thank You for the Money.
Wow.
मेरे पास आती वो रिपोर्ट है, थैंक यू फॉर द मनी, इससे इतने पैसे लेने हैं, इतना
कैश फ्लो खत्म हो गया, only thank you for the money है, कैश फ्लो नहीं बनाना. That's excellent. That's amazing. I have started doing since the last 3 days जो तूने अर्जुन बताया था, that was wonderful. I look into my, I only saw cash flows. I never saw my bank account. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा life. But since the last 2-3 days, I check my bank account every day whenever I get the time. और कुछ ना कुछ payment आई होती है. So then you say the customer's name and thank them. So it is so powerful. It's amazing. So full of gratitude.
No doubt.
Thank you for that.
चलो जी.